Are you experiencing electrical problems in your home? Are you having unexpected outages and tripping switches? Electricity is an integral part of our lives. We depend on it for light and heating. We depend on it for cooking, washing, and so much more. So when something does go wrong, it's not just inconvenient, it can also be very dangerous. If you're unsure or worried about your home's electrical system in any way, you need the help of a qualified, fully licensed, and reliable electrician. Someone with the knowledge and experience to find the cause of any issues and to put them right quickly and safely. You can't take a chance or put a price on the safety of yourself and your loved ones. So for complete peace of mind about your home's electrical system, contact us for a thorough inspection today.